I am Tulsidasan, staying in Mumbai. I am working in a scientific laboratory. I came here for main purpose is for ulcerative colitis. I have been suffering from ulcerative colitis for the last 3 years. There was a severe bleeding for continuously 3 to 4 times a day. And beside that, I had many other things like allergic rhinitis, joint pains. So these things I got relieved. Main thing which I got relieved is symptomatically allergic rhinitis. I used to take spray for every night. Otherwise, the next day onward, I start sneezing. In fact, the whole towel will go wet. After coming here, I took SHIVAMBU. I continued this SHIVAMBU fasting for 7 days, literally. So, the first 3 days I took spray, and the rest of the 10 days I didn't took the spray. The whole period of my stay here was 12 days. In fact, my motion is very clear now. But still it is bleeding every time. But I hope in due course it will get cured, because my large intestine and rectum is severely damaged. Definitely it will take long time to get cured completely. So they took utmost care, and it was a nice climate. Never I have been exposed to sunlight. My job work profile is sedentary work. That has caused I think that's the reason which caused ulcerative colitis. And I also took a lot of fibrous food that would have caused ulcerative colitis. Now I am a little confident of getting cured. So doctor has advised me to take this treatment for almost 3 months, and they have prescribed the medicine, and what are the precautions I have to take, what are the procedure I must follow to get cured. Hope this will help me in my life.
Thank you.